YouTube. This is a random video from a random dude on the internet, and I'm just sharing products that I use all the time and that I rebuy all the time. These are peanuts from Nutstop, and I just got a 10-pound case. This is not Members Mark peanut. I'm just using the container. Yeah, like I said, these are from Nutstop. I'll put the links down below, and I'll link some other food products that I buy all the time. These are with the skin on, roasted, and I believe salted. Super nice. Good stuff. I'm not sponsored, but shout out to them. Thanks a lot. It was a 10-pound case. I think they offer still a 20-pound case and beyond. They also offer peanuts like without the skin, and they have a couple options, so check them out. I like the skins personally. What you'll get is a big box from them, and then in my case, the 10 pounds of peanuts were inside of a big plastic bag. And so then I just transfer them out into these containers that I have, and I keep everything in the fridge. Keeps them nice and fresh. You can make your own peanut butter, or cook with them, or just eat them plain. They're ready to go, ready to eat, and yeah, just good high quality stuff coming from Nutstop. So I'll put the links, and you can check them out if you're looking for some bulk peanuts, or they have, check out their shop because they have a ton of other stuff, dried fruit, nuts, you name it, snacks. So hope that helps. If you're thinking about buying them, just go ahead and give them a shot. They might even have a case that's less than 10 pounds. So for what it's worth, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.